The aim of the project is to involve young people in planting, growing, harvesting, sharing food that they've done with other young people in the youth club and also within the community. The whole project has run for about 6 months and we're just coming towards the end of it now. And it's been a really interesting project for the young people to get involved with. So as part of the project work, we've started with the planting and we talked to the young people about what they would like to grow, what they would eat. So we've done some planting in the youth club with the young people. Then we've done some planting in the community garden here, direct into the ground. And then part of the community plot in the allotments, we've taken the young people up there and we've made a structure with canes for growing green beans. Also on another plot at the allotment, we've erected a polytunnel and it's been successful with some tomatoes growing in there and some beetroot, and we've still got a little bit more to harvest up there as well. The purpose of the growing really is for young people to understand that everything doesn't come from a plastic bag in a supermarket. That if they've got a small bit of garden, that they can do something with it and they can take pride in producing some of their own food.
The veg we've grown, like where we had so much of it, today we took like some of it down to the resource centres so then people could go take some and just try it for themselves.
Within the resource centre in the village, they have their own project of reducing food wastage. So we've taken some of our produce down there to be shared within the community, and we've also collected some from there which we've used up here for stir fries.
It's trying to minimise food waste so more food can be eaten and then we don't have to waste food because food is very precious.
I really like growing plants because soon they get food and we can give them to people that need it.
Everybody has to be aware of how much food waste there is in the world. So to share that with the young people and make them aware and for them to understand that a lot of the food that goes down to the resource centre would have gone in the bin, would have gone to landfill. And the fact it's free to people means that it's available and it's used and it's not wasted. So the next stage of the project has been the cooking side. The older ones have been doing the basic food hygiene because that's going to be useful for them when they go into employment. That's been paid for as part of the project as well. And then we've taken the young people and we've gone through some various skills that they need. So some knife skills so that they can use a knife safely. We also, as part of the project, had assigned a time where we were going to cater for some senior people in the village. So the young people were obviously involved in this with planning what we were going to cook for them. And then we spent a Saturday where we used the kitchen in the community centre to produce the food. It wasn't just about the young people producing the food. The young people also talked to the people that they were serving as well, which just gave those people an awareness that kids in the village are getting involved and taking an interest in stuff. So that was really rewarding.
We were just talking about how different essential skills, and they have more knowledge, so they can pass that knowledge on to other people, so then their cooking skills can be improved.
I think the impact that it's had on the young people is just their awareness of what's around them.
When you're older, if you grow your own veg and that for when you cook, you know how to do it.
How for a little bit of time they can give something back to people.
Yeah, I just like cooking for people because it helps others.
How they can impact and save on food wastage.
You can do donations or you can collect different food, so then no food basically goes to waste.
What it'll mean is they'll hopefully be in that volunteering position to help younger people again through the summer months, planting, harvesting, utilising the facilities around us to try and involve children in, producing food.